Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to adjust a treadmill belt. This will be a full tutorial with easy instructions, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, this is a treadmill belt, and I'm going to show you how to make a few small adjustments in case your treadmill belt is too far to the left, too far to the right, or it's just not seated properly. Now what you want to do is look at the back of the treadmill belt. So that's the front with the control module over there. We're going to go all the way to the back and then look down, and on either side there should be an opening with a spot for an Allen key. So essentially you can see right here, I'll bring the camera nice and low and you can see that in there's a spot for an Allen key. Okay, get your trusty Allen key, and what you're going to do is you're going to make tiny little adjustments. I would say a half a turn at a time, and you're going to just adjust it until it's the way that you want it to be. I want you to pay attention to this side right here, because when I adjust that Allen key, it's going to adjust the tensioner on the corresponding side. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go on this side right here. I'm going to lock the Allen key in place. Now I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. Watch what happens when I turn it counterclockwise. Watch this side of the belt over here. Check that out. Okay, so as I turn it counterclockwise, look at what's happening to the belt. Okay, you can see it's moving forward. Watch what happens when I turn it clockwise. Okay, when I turn it clockwise, it is moving backward. Okay, so essentially you want to make small adjustments. So let's say I'm trying to adjust the belt. Okay, I'm going to turn this half a turn. Let's say counterclockwise, just for instance. So I would go about half a turn to maybe 3/4 of a turn counterclockwise. So I'm going to go half a turn to about 3/4 of a turn counterclockwise. Okay. Then what I'm going to do, let's remove the Allen key, and I'm going to start the treadmill, and I'm going to let the treadmill go on low speed for about 30 seconds. And you're going to see the belt is going to adjust either to the right or to the left, depending on what you did. So you're going to see if you've made progress. Let's say your belt is too far to the right, okay? You want to move the belt to the left. If you see your belt moved a little bit to the left when you did that, then that's perfect. You're good to go. Okay, if you need to do it more, you can go to the other side and do the opposite. So I would do this one. I did that one counterclockwise. So I would turn this one clockwise. Once again, about half a turn to 3/4 of a turn. If I can get the Allen key in place, then we can do that. Just give me a moment over here. It's, you know, like when I'm not filming, I can do it in 2 seconds. When I'm filming, it takes me a while because I'm looking through the camera. So I would do this one clockwise. Okay, so check this out. Clockwise, which is going to bring it back, okay? Bring it back. So I did this one clockwise about 3/4 of a turn, and I would see if that improved it further, okay? So essentially, your treadmill might be slightly different in the sense of counterclockwise moves it in one direction, clockwise moves it in the other direction. So you're gonna have to experiment, but I would suggest that you turn one of the Allen keys on one side, about half a turn in one direction, let the treadmill run on a very low speed for about 30 seconds, and see if it improves where the belt is. And if it does, then you can, continue on that side or go to the other side and do the opposite on the other side. At the end of the day, it's just about experimenting. The more you turn it in one direction or another, the more you're going to adjust the belt, and you want it to be centered. Just so you can see right here, this treadmill no longer works. It's my parents' old treadmill. Before they get rid of it, I'm doing some videos with it. But you can see that although unfortunately no longer works, the actual belt is basically centered. So yeah, that's essentially how you can adjust the belt. Yeah, and that's it. I mean, if your belt is loose, you can adjust it also by bringing both of these sides further back. That will tighten it up. There's a couple things you can do if your belt is too loose. This one is tight enough in my opinion, but if your belt is too tight, you can bring both sides further forward to loosen it. It all depends on what you want to do, but that's how to adjust it. It's that simple. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.